If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. Always respect your superiors, if you have any. There is no sadder thing than a young pessimist, except an old optimist. Always obey your parents when they are present. May you always keep your youth. Do the right thing. It will gratify some people and astonish the rest. Classic. A book which people praise and don't read. The funniest things are forbidden. There are no people who are quite so vulgar as the over-refined. When you fish for love, bait with your heart, not your brain. Don't wake up a woman in love. Let her dream, so that she does not weep when she returns to her bitter reality. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. Of all the animals, man is the only one that is cruel. He is the only one that inflicts pain for the pleasure of doing it. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence on society. No real gentleman will tell the naked truth in the presence of ladies. Truth is the most valuable thing we have. Let us economize it. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. Education. The path from cocky ignorance to miserable uncertainty. Share your opinion. Subscribe for the next video.